So here we have the ThermoPro digital food thermometer.
Yes, this is a device that you can use for your cooking, so you eat safe. It has automations and it has preset temperatures for different type of food. So let's open our digital food thermometer. Might open it upside down. Doesn't matter.
I mean, this is. So here you've got.
This is the wire, which it says your probe can go inside the oven, and you can use it inside the oven. And we have the device itself with reference temperatures on the side, and it has a quite big screen, an alarm, a timer, and it gets only one battery, and it can stick on the.
You can have it close to the oven too.
Yes, but they suggest not.
Well, yeah, but I will.
And it has a stand, so you can have it there. So are you gonna do the honor and put the battery on it?
Yes, I will. Got a battery with it.
That's good. Most of the devices have 2 or 3 batteries. That one has only one.
Only one. Very easy.
That's it. And as you hear, you have a noise. This is because the product is for professional and private use. You have Celsius and Fahrenheit for the Americans and the British.
Yeah.
And you have your timer, your temperature, and switch off. And on top, again, you can control those. I'm gonna let Zoe to put the probe on. I already know that it's a little harder to do it, but
let's see if I can actually. Well, let's try to put this in.
yes.
Oh,
That's it.
That's not that hard.
It says to unroll the wire probe. And we will do our test with our favorite iGo Star digital kettle that it has temperature control, and we will see how it reacts with the temperature of the water and the thermostat itself. So let's turn it on, power it on. Now it's waiting for manual adjustment, and we're gonna put it to just test it. So if you want to unroll a little the probe.
Oh, sorry, yeah, the first time you use it, it's gonna be.
It's doing turns, never mind. So we're gonna put it to 60 degrees Celsius and test the temperature. It's gonna be fun when I try to 100. I don't want to burn myself, but we will try it. The manufacturers suggest not to wash it in a dishwasher, and they're talking about the probe, not the device. So we're waiting for the hot water at 60 degrees. That's it, 60 degrees. So let's see what the system says.
Let's just.
28, 50, 63 degrees. Are you touching on the bottom?
Don't think so. No, I'm not.
66 degrees. Okay, so let's try to go at 70 degrees and test it again. Yeah, it's a very nice one. It changes colors. Okay, so we are at 70 degrees. So let's test what the temperature says there.
What does it say?
So we are at 74 degrees. Okay, that's it.
Lovely.
So let's test at 90 degrees. I'm gonna give it to Zoe because I'm sure she's gonna burn herself.
Why would you say that?
So we are back at 54, 55,
Yeah.
40.
44.
Yep. Okay.
And it says
It's 90 degrees. And let's see what the system says, how much temperature we have. 77. As you see, it goes very fast. So you're not gonna wait. So we have 89. That's perfect.
90. It actually said 90.
So I'm gonna do the final test at 100 and see, because you already know, 100 degrees the water boils, then it becomes steam. So if that thing doesn't see that it's 100 and it says 101 and 105, is not so accurate. Try to.
It's just. There it is.
All right, we are at 100. Be careful, guys. Don't do what I'm doing on this video. I'm just doing it for testing the device. Don't try this at home. 100 degrees is enough to burn yourself. Don't try this. 99. That's perfect because the device says that there is a plus minus 1 degree.
1 degree.
So that's perfect, guys. As you see, the device is working perfectly.
Oh, yeah.
So it's time to check if our beautiful fish is ready.
I have salmon in the oven. That
So,
would take.
let's put it to the fish mode. If you can show them.
Yeah, I'm just.
So let's go to fish. And let's set it to fish and see if it says that it's ready.
Yeah.
And again, don't do what we do on this video. We're doing it for just demonstration. It's hot in here. Don't burn your hands.
Let's see.
So let's see with a probe what it's gonna say. It says that.
It says it is ready at
Yes.
88 degrees, 89.
So perfect.
Perfect.
Our fish is ready.
Yeah, and as you can hear, that is the noise it makes to let you know your food is ready. You select whatever meat you're cooking.
Yes, let's stop it. That's it.
Yeah.
So this is, guys, this is our ThermoPro, sorry. And I'm gonna add a small video of another device we have for the same purpose.
Yeah.
And you will see that the reason we suggest and we put this is because it's very fast.
Right.
You will see with the other one the difference. So this is our Trallion, and again it has you can see with taste what temperature is the food you're making, and we're gonna put it to try to see with the screen. Lamb, pork, chicken, turkey, and default. It doesn't matter. We're just gonna check. You will see what's the difference with the one we have, the new one, and that one. So as you see, the temperature is 24 degrees, and let's test what's the temperature. It's like a mirror. 64, 71, 75. So it takes loads of time to go to temperature, and as you see, it says that it's 75, 72 degrees.
There is no way that is accurate because I just
It's not accurate. So let's put it to the test with the other one. So 77. Put it on.
It's already on. I just.
Yes, put it on. You see, instantly we know that it's 79, 81 degrees. So this is what you want. This is what you get, and it's a proper device. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. We're gonna have another different thing the next week. And have a good night, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.